Good morning. It's Friday, December 12th. Welcome to week one of not shaving the little island patch until it's big enough for a comb over or until my wife shaves it in the middle of the night. It's stupid. I know. So, anyway, yesterday, good day. 190. Nice day yesterday. And we're off to 38.54 today. Excuse me. Still got to do the occasional throat clearing and still got the occasional cough, but feeling much gooder than I did the other day. So, okay, let's see what's going out. You probably see, maybe you don't, all those empty boxes. I did another 9 or so banker's boxes full of airplane cards, making bigger boxes into smaller boxes. It seemed like a good idea just to get rid of the mound on the other side that still has 25, 30 boxes. So we'll get to those someday. Someday. Got a steamship going out. I got to keep an eye on the printer. Still running nonstop. Pretty much caught up. I got a special order size to do, and that should hopefully be printed by this weekend. Hopefully. So if you've been waiting because the backlog's been huge, which it has been, it's very manageable now. For the cards days, if you're even interested, you get to stare at the. You get to stare, nice and soft. You can't stop looking at it, can you? Yeah. So the thumbnail, yeah, I just woke up pretty much 8:30, almost 9 today. It's been 6 years since I nuked the bridge to the U.S. probation office. What a long, strange trip it's been, right? These last 6 years. Yeah, at least I can say it kind of seems like it's going fast. Steamships. That one only sold for $4. I don't know why. I don't care. It sold for $4. That's fine. G17. Oops. G17. So, I have not put my store on time away yet. Like I've been saying I should do. It builds in an extra week or two into the shipping time frame. So people aren't ordering a postcard on Monday and expecting it to be there by Wednesday. I don't know what fantasy world those people live in, but mail, I've explained it before. I cannot even get a letter from me to my next door neighbor in 3 days anymore. Doesn't happen. And I have it in my listing. You can see it there. I have that blurb there. I have an actual blurb. Sometimes there's two the same blurbs in the description. And people are still, even with that, people are like, it says delivered, but I don't have it. Or it says it's been delivered to the next state over. I don't live there. And I have to explain that is where your last sorting center is before your local PO, and maybe in the other state. I just wish eBay would do a little better job educating people. Or you know what? Pay me more to do it. I think that's the right one. Yeah, that's the right one. I did see they put some shipping blurb. The word of the day is blurb. Sorry, it just... something popped into my mind. It was not kids being mean. Anyway, there was... oh, okay, here, instructions. All this... enjoy shipping protection. But does the buyer see that? I don't know. And I know there's another one for... yeah, here it is. Shipping instructions. Yeah, now see, they need to make that prominently displayed for the... oh, they're in the rain sandbox about the same thing. For the buyers. And I don't know. I haven't bought anything. The last thing I bought was on eBay was that box of postcards that the seller failed miserably at, which I got a refund. I didn't ask for them. Didn't ask for it. I just told them to do better. And I haven't left a negative, haven't left a neutral. And again, I didn't ask for a refund, and they sent one. But yeah, do better. So that was... no, I'm sorry. I bought two other things. I bought a case of these bubble pouches. Those are great for wet knot lots. And I bought a pool filter. It's looking at you. Put little googly eyes on there somewhere. I'll shave it off later. I do want to see if a family member... you missed a spot. But yeah, the pool filters. Man, I used to get them... I used to be able to get my pool filters at the end of the season for like $15 on Amazon. I'd throw them in my cart, and then I just save my items for later. And I'd get the notification, hey, items in your cart have changed price. And where's that one? I watched, this is like the second year I had my pool, maybe the first year. Normally they were like $40-50, and they last a season if you clean them. And I kept watching it go 20, it got down to $15, and I bought like 5 of them, and it lasted me, well, I've used one a year. But now they're routinely over 100. And I watch them on eBay too, and I knew one popped up for $50. So always good to have one in stock. My one printer's almost out of filament. I'm gonna have to pause this in a second. P16. So yeah, I went through those 9 boxes of airplane cards and pulled out another stack of cards I'll list singly. I thought that was kind of cool. The Volkswagen plant in Germany. I don't know when Volkswagen, the little beetle bugs came about. Don't even know if it's any good, but I thought it was kind of cool. And some other nice airplane related, because it was airplane related box, if that makes sense. Oh, I thought a really neat one. That was cool. I don't know what it goes for, but the price on the back said 15, and there was a little note in there about like winning the auction or something along those lines. P16. Come on, John. But anyway, getting back, yeah, it's every day is, if you're a reseller, I mean, you're hustling. I know you are hustling if you're a reseller. I am hustling. Every day I'm spending, oh, geez, recently with like the card stays and everything else, I'm still putting in 12 plus hours a day, but I love it. And if I don't feel like working till noon, then I don't work till noon. But anyhow, that's all that has. That's all that really, that just woke up this morning. It's Friday. But every day's Friday. I could not imagine, and God love you if you're doing a 9 to 5 or longer. I just can't do, I couldn't do that anymore. So. What is this? Spring Grove, Pennsylvania. That one a top loader? Today, I got my whatnot area is just a pile of boxes, so I want to kind of get that cleaned up. I have 3 new sorted boxes of states that crap. Excuse me. That I bought at Allentown. I need to get going with, and excuse me. I have a whatnot show coming up. The 22nd, I think I have it billed as fill a flat rate. I think I may retitle it like bulk box blowout, but I'll still do fill a flat rate. I filled a flat rate box yesterday of choo-choo trains. The airplane boxes. Half a box was choo-choo trains. The chrome. I don't know if they're Mary Janes. I'm not sure if Mary Jane did trains. They might have. But there's like stack of maybe 25 of one, 50 of another. But there's probably, well, it's 1,400 plus postcards because it's a medium flat rate, packed full, unsleeved. So I'll sell that at whatnot. And then I said I got the dental pamphlets, the trinkets with some ephemera, and all the photos. So we'll get those. I think that's what it's going to be. The in-laws will be here on the 22nd, and I'll probably be out in the garage doing that. I love my in-laws. I just I need to keep the money rolling in for the end of the year. Pay that tax, man. Okay, I gotta go change filament. There's that one. And by clearing out some of the huge pile of airplane boxes, it frees up access to like 2 shelf units that have stuff that'll probably be coming to whatnot, just bulk postcards. So keep an eye out for that. BA19. Hopefully your sales have been good. I'm off to this week better than I expected it would be, but it's like the first full week after turning offer. Well, back up. Promoting everything about 5% and having best offer on everything. I still have the automatically decline offers at a certain level, just so I'm not dealing with $1 offers on $20 postcards. I have it at 35%. You make me an offer less than 35%, I'm not gonna, it's automatically declined. Airline issued. Airline issued, says on the back. Issued by Yugoslav Airlines. Okay, AW4. What, 19 orders going out? I did go over that, didn't I? It says Hartford, Connecticut, Arch. There it is. Yep, samey. I don't know what this was. Was it a regular cold or was it some type of viral? I heard there's some norovirus make you poop and puke going around. BB23. Knock on wood again. I haven't had that. I don't even know last time this is great talk, John. Yeah, you have nothing else to talk about, so let's talk about puking. But it's been a while, and I'll leave it at that. That's the worst. Ugh. So, when was the last time you puked? Drunk puke is the worst. I'm not going to talk about it, but let's continue talking about it. I'd rather take a gummy than drink to oblivion. There's that one. Almost done. Put you out of your misery. Remember, we got Ephemerama on Whatnot. How many we got? Oh my gosh. Sorry. We got a lot more than I expected. I'm going to pause it for a while. Okay, last couple here. I saved you about 10 minutes worth of bodily function talk. You can thank me later. Or thank me now. Or thumbs down it. Public library. 6. So yeah, Ephemerama this weekend. Half-hour shows. Probably 20 dealers, maybe? I don't know. I'm 8 o'clock. We went over the items yesterday. AV 17 or 23. What is this? Upper J, the land of make-believe. I found some dog patch. It was down in Arkansas, I think. Defunct amusement park. Yesterday, while I was going through the boxes. I've done okay with those. There's an abandoned amusement park out in Ohio. I can't remember the name of it. But that's done really, really well. I just can't remember the name of it. Okay, do a quick refresh. Nothing else came in. Okay, happy Friday, everybody. And hopefully we see you tomorrow at Whatnot, cardstay.net. For all your Cardstay needs, this is open top bin box. I think I've shown it before. It's better with two hands. And it keeps them standing up. I don't know how far, what the strength is, but works pretty well. I think I'm going to keep that one there. Okay. Thanks, everybody. We'll see you Monday. Have a great weekend.